The laziest way to become fluent in English without effort, without any stress needed. If you want to become fluent in English, but you kind of like a lazy person, you don't want to study all the grammar rules and even all the vocabulary lists and even memorize even 1,000 of words every single day, here's the good news. I've got you covered. The laziest way, a lot of people, they might think, what on earth are you talking about? Now, of course, this way exists, and if you want to become a confident and a fluent English speaker in the laziest way that actually works. So stay tuned until the end of this video. I'm going to give you about 5 simple steps. If you can follow these 5 simple steps, I guarantee you will become a confident and a fluent English speaker. Now, without further ado, without any faffing around, let's get straight into it. You need to turn your phone into English teacher. What changing your phone into the language that you're learning, for example, if you're learning English, which a lot of you do, I believe that you need to change your phone language, because it's going to help you that every time that you scroll or even set alarm or even learning without realizing it, it's lazy way, of course, because it's something that you can't notice it, and it's absolutely possible way to learn it. To bench your favorite shows. For example, if you are watching a TV show, that it could be in Netflix, it could be on YouTube at the same time, when you watch that show, whether that's podcasts, whether that's a video from the people that you follow in regular basis, linking those videos, it will help you to improve your English with subtitles. For example, you will learn new words, vocabulary, expressions, and even writing them down without any grammar drills, without even no flashcards, just vibes. It's very simple, and I think everyone can follow at the same time. To listen to English music and podcasts daily while you are doing nothing. Example, it could be like you are multitasking. You don't even have to focus, you don't have to concentrate. Just play English content on the background, whether that's podcasts, whatever. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, I've got a podcast and I will link it. You'll find the link all the time in the description below if you want to listen to it. It's all about to help you level up your English, whether that's British pronunciation, whether that's everything in English language that you are looking to improve. Just play English content, as I mentioned earlier, in the background while you're cooking, or even having a shower, or even having a nap. Your brain will absorb all the information, patterns and pronunciation at the same time, and it's kind of like a magic, if we can say. It's called passive learning because it's kind of like help you to learn while you're doing other things, while you're multitasking. As they call it, the lazy way or genius learning. So this is, of course, the laziest way that you'll be able to become a fluent and a confident English speaker. Make sure that you listen to music and podcasts every single day, and you will thank your fluency journey. So, and make your algorithm works for you. A lot of people, if you don't know what I mean by make the algorithm works for you, is that follow English speaking creators on TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube. For example, now, algorithm these days, if you follow a certain kind of news, a certain kind of news feed, is going to kind of like give you more of it, and because you absorb it at the same time. Let's say if you follow a lot of English creators, content creators that make videos about learning English, how to improve your English, whether that's pronunciation, whatever. So the more you watch the content from every creator, the algorithm is going to give you loads of videos about it and loads of content creators from different niches where they talk all about how to improve your English. And the key here, you're getting English input without effort. The more you hear, the more you become natural English speaker. And it's very fundamental these days because a lot of people, they go on social media quite a lot. 90% of people, they spend time on social media. So why not? Let the algorithm works for you. Talk to AI or AI tutors in your phone. So I've done a video a couple of days about AI, which is all about ChatGPT, which I'll link in the description below. The video was all about how to improve your English speaking with ChatGPT and how to speak with ChatGPT. No awkward silence. I mean, ChatGPT can't judge you because it's all about practice. And I believe that really you will have a voice assistant, which is a chatbot, of course, to practice your English. You can even talk to ChatGPT right now, and it's totally free. What you need is all about the internet access and no pressure needed, of course, just free speaking practice anytime you want. And here's the secret: you don't have to study hard, you don't have to study multiple hours. You just have to stay consistent, and a few lazy minutes of English every single day beats 1 hour a day. So you study sessions once a month. So I mean, that's all about it. You can literally become a fluent and confident English speaker by watching or even listening, scrolling and talking all in English. Lazy, right? But if you can follow these strategies, I promise you, you'll become a confident and a fluent English speaker. And that's all about it, and that's all for me today. And if you like what you saw today, you did this video, please consider that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and even click the bell for more regular tips.